Good morning. I'm excited, slightly nervous. Today is test day. Y'all, I am taking my test for my CDL. It's been a long time coming. Man, we made it here. We made it to this moment. I feel real good. I feel real confident. I don't feel like I'm lacking anything. Only thing Brandon just needs to do is get out of his head, calm down. You know this stuff. Take your time, say it. Take your time and maneuver correctly. Take your time and drive. Sorry, I just woke up, literally just woke up. And I realized I need to do a video to at least show y'all what happened. I'm not videoing like at the site, but y'all gonna get me from the time I get out of my car and then I get back in and let y'all know how it went. So stay tuned. Let's do it. I passed. Whew. Now I can sleep, get a haircut, get my hair braided, look decent. Hopefully this tan wears off. Yeah, I passed. I can't believe it. It was so much work, so much determination, so much studying. Mind you, this was a 3-week program and you had to learn all this stuff. I'm so happy, so glad. I will sit down and let you know how the test goes and give you some more insight on it. First things first, your boy got a perfect score on his pre-trip. I don't know why I'm whispering. I'm like, this is an old strip mall, but that's where the testing site is. But man, I passed, y'all. I can get some sleep. I can get some sleep and some rest. I can walk jacks. I don't know how to feel right now, but I'm so excited. Just wanted to share that with y'all. More is coming soon.